guys, we're going to look at a boat for Tanner. It's so exciting. Do you know why? Because it's a Cal. It's not a 229 Cal, it's a Cal. A Mark 1. Anyway, why am I not focusing? My skin looks pretty out of focus. Hey, it's also my birthday. I want you guys to know that. Happy birthday, me. In other news, Bianca's gonna go visit Gigi for a couple weeks, 2 weeks to be exact. Tanner's probably moving onto his own boat soon, and it's just gonna be me and Squirrel. And everyone knows I make Squirrel sleep in the bilge, so it's just gonna be me and Freya. Just kidding.
I'll be back with you guys though.
Yeah. He's gonna come up and he's gonna be my neighbor. We're gonna be parked right next to each other. We're gonna blow spitballs at each other. It's gonna be great. Oh, it's pretty out here.
That is gorgeous.
All right, we're gonna be there in 4 minutes. Okay, how do you feel? You're the proud owner
of a Cal 29.
Yeah.
Pretty stoked about it. Everything's looking good. Big size for me.
You're gonna love this thing.
My naked yoga out here.
Oh yeah.
Day drinking.
Yep. Keeping up with the family.
I gotta keep up with this awesome bod that I have. So it'll be nice.
All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what a Cal should look like when you get it, not what mine look like. So we have the V-berth, the head, no poop, very nice sink in here. You guys, so nostalgic, yes. The galley, starboard midship, great boat, great boat. Okay, well, another adventure and journey begins on a 29 Cal. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm super happy. Happy birthday, me! Oh, so cool.
Thank you, happy birthday.
Awesome, man. You're gonna make lots of cool memories on this boat. Man, this boat's... Okay, you guys, I gotta show you some clips of what Little Miss looked like when I got her. If you guys have not seen it, this is in such better condition. Like, it's ready to go. It even has a wood-burning stove. Super cool. Aw, man, I'm so happy for you. I'm gonna get you some top ramen, some cheese. So excited for you. You stoked? Woo! Little Miss sister. There they go. So great. Freya, what do you think? Is it our boat? It's me, circa 3 years ago on Little Miss, but it's not Little Miss. We gotta think of a good name for this thing. I am excited. This is my boat. It's 3 years older. It's older? Did you just poop? I promised Tanner a poop inside. He did it. 3 seconds and he pooped. So yeah, pretty cool. It's very nostalgic for me to be on this boat. I really enjoy it. I'm super happy that Tanner got something pretty finished. Not much, really any work to do on it. It's amazing. Oh, Atlas is gonna do some woodwork while we're here. You gonna do some woodwork, buddy? Mm-hmm. Come kiss. Yeah, I know. Very excited for Tanner. So anyway, I don't need to give you guys a boat tour because you've been living with me on Little Miss for so long. The Traveler here is in its original spot. My Traveler is usually just right here so you can step on it. His is back there, which is for better control of the boom. We're here in Des Moines, which is pretty cool. It's a beautiful marina, super cute town. He's got a wood stove heater thing, and here's his V-berth. Yeah, so everything's pretty cool. I'm just like, my heart is really warmed. I was able to help him get this boat. And I just wish that when I was 21, somebody had pointed me in the direction of this lifestyle, because it's so freeing. It's not very expensive. You can take your boat wherever you want to live. It's a really cool lifestyle. You can go anywhere in the world. So I'm just super thankful that I have the knowledge and the means to help my brother. So I have two brothers here right now. Austin and Tanner, and they're gonna bring the boat up to Anacortes. Then, yeah, we're gonna sail the San Juans. There's the boys.
Alright, Tanner. And I'm gonna throw that on the bow really quick.
Okay, gotta take the oar locks off and then roll it up tight.
The
Oar locks. Not a warlock, an oarlock.
I thought you said warlock. I thought I heard
Oarlock.
She definitely said warlock. She did.
It's gonna be fine.
You did.
Everything's gonna be okay. Oh, the old 29 Cal making dreams come true. Over. We drove about 30 minutes to where the brother unit has arrived with the boat. We are now starting a fire in said boat, and Leandra just said, you know, you once said it's counterintuitive. It is. Fire outside.
We're making a prison fire. Top ramen.
Yeah, Leandra's a nurse. She's gonna make everything okay. And we have
is it pretty
my
good?
tall pyro. We've got the fire in the boat.
Apparently that prison fire is taken off.
Oh yeah. So I have to say, from the bottom of my little heart, I am so very proud of my brothers, and Tanner especially, because I know exactly what it takes to get a boat, not know what the hell you're doing, and just put it in gear and drive out into Big Blue. It takes a pair of cojones, and you are stressing and you're hoping for the best, trying to keep a brave face, and he has arrived with the help of the bigger little brother. And it's super cool, and it's very special to me too, because it's the same boat that I started on.
That's sailing Africa.
Yeah, who are we telling that to?
I was like, I wouldn't fucking
The Uber driver. We had an Uber driver.
Yeah.
We're trying to get gasoline for the boat, and he's like, oh, I'll never sail up Africa. And we're like, yeah, our sister did it. And then Austin's like, yeah, she has a set of iron cojones.
When I was a young girl, my dad said, honey, I hope you can find a man that's more of a man than you. And I was like, thanks. Putting that in the compliment column. Brass cojones. Yeah, or it's stupidity, but they just tell me I'm brave. I don't know. All right, you guys, I love you so much. I will see you tomorrow.
What point?
So after 3 days, not 3 days in a row, but 3 days of movable weather, the guys, my brothers, Austin and Tanner, have made it around the bend. They sailed, say motored, from Seattle to Anacortes. I know you guys have probably put this together already, but Tanner has a 29 Cal, just like Sissy, and the 29 Cal is starting new sailing dreams again. Not my Cal, his very own Cal. And this one, I have to say, is in much better condition. So I just got a phone call about, I don't know, 15 minutes ago, I'm keep looking out the window, that they're gonna be here in the bay in about 45 minutes. So we're going to loan them the anchor, an extra anchor. We have 2 here on the Formosa, a very large one, and some extra chain. So I've got to drop that off of the top of the container. I don't know if I'm gonna try to tackle that myself with Searle, if we're gonna wait for them to help us. We're gonna set them up out there in the bay, and then they're gonna come for dinner, I hope. So let's see how all of this pans out. I am so proud of him. He has joined the ranks of liveaboard. So I'm so happy for him to gain that freedom of being able to take us home wherever he goes. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you where they're gonna come in. You guys can see this mountain right here. They're gonna come in right there. So I'm sure they're gonna call me when they get here.
There's my cameraman. There's my brother out there. So I know I've said this to you guys like a whole bunch of times. I am so very proud of my baby brother. One of them, my babyest of the baby brother. Are you proud too? I know that it takes cojones to just get out there and do something that you don't have a lot of experience doing, and he really did that. He made it. I would never put him in any dangerous situation, and he was all in inland waters where if his boat sank, you just step into the dinghy and then we'd pick him up. So anyway, I'm just over the moon proud of him, and we're gonna fly the drone and I'm gonna put it on his Instagram. Have you guys seen his Instagram? I'm managing it right now. I'm not doing a very good job. I'm trying to get my poop in a group. Huh, your poop's definitely in a group. Yeah, it's Tanner D. Wilson, I think. Anyway, hopefully I'll remember to put this in a link on this video. Can you guys believe that I'm like 650 daily shows? That's crazy. I was just telling my girlfriend how weird it is to see myself like every day of my life for the last 2 years. The ebb and flow of my weight, the health of my skin, my attitude, things that I would have never remembered doing had I not filmed it, which is cool. Like, it's really cool. So anyway, brother's out there playing the guitar on the front of his boat. We're gonna buzz the drone by. Very, very proud of him. Okay, you guys, dead ahead at 12 o'clock is the Tanner. Okay, there, right, where's my finger? Right there, that's him. Cool, huh?
Getting saltier by the day.
Yeah.
I don't mean the parrot, I mean
Am I getting saltier or Tanner?
Tanner.
I'm already salty.
Josh.
Hello, Josh.
He has a trimaran out there.
Oh, cool, I see it. Pretty cool.
He watches all the videos. He sees me in my bathing suits and stuff.
You salty bugger.
Hey, what are you doing?
And just like that, another sailing adventure begins. This time, it's my little brother, and he's starting out on the same boat I did. Now let me tell you, getting on a boat for the first time, having never sailed, and setting out there into that cold blue water is a thing. It's a hard thing, and I'm extremely proud of him. I can't wait to see how his adventure unfolds. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. We'll see you next time on Sailing Miss Lone Star.
Somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds that turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're